we can see it off of this and this and this and this and this and these. Do you guys see it? So if that continued to climb, it'd be 177.46. If this continued to climb more, it would be right here because you can see the candles here, 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 right here. See the bodies? It's close right here. It's a little off, but it's close. And then the body right here. So this is what it looks like. Now let's go back to where it was. And now those are your key critical levels. See them all? So that is how I would mark out up here to the upside. See that? So that's going to give me, and you can see how close it was, right? So I had 46 and look, it hit 43 and bounced. See it here?